So you say you loved me, that you were here to stay. I guess what makes this different now is that I'm finally okay with me. I thought you were the same way with you. I saw nothing in our future that we could not do, and now I see that it was all your game. At least for now, I can smell the roses and let my hair down as you put your arms around me. Could you see? You couldn't see how. So it came time for me to share those things that I held dear, pitching in and listening up as it all became so clear that I loved you. Yes, for who